I'm done with this picture. I cannot take any more. God, awful.
Are you taking a video?
No.
Get the video.
I'm videotaping it.
Videotaping?
I'm videotaping it. I'm sure Anna will give you the video. I'll post it on Facebook.
Yes, yes.
I can't see any of the laser work.
Well, look over there.
The earth is spinning. Sorry.
It's actually.
Can you see Rebecca? Oh, wait, no, I can't see it.
Okay, I'm taking on this video.
Oh, I see it now. There you go. How are they doing that? They probably have the lights on. That's so cool!
See actual video.
I'm taking a picture of the fireworks.
Then you cut yourself off. You're like,
no, don't stand up, guys. Hey, no.
please, please.
Oh!
Floating across the ocean.
I'm sorry, Rebecca. They all started standing up.
Whoa, it's glowing.
Yeah.
Whoa, look, the pictures of it.
Oh, wow! I'm videotaping it, just saying.
I love Anna for this.
I know, I love you. No.
Videotaping the glow.
I started watching it instead of the videotape.
I'm bending down a little bit.
I know, right? Yeah.
Just getting us a video. I got the video with
I have like half the fireworks and then all the glow, but you can't really see the picture all the glow.
whatever, at least the music pretty. Oh hey, look at the water!
Oh, that's so pretty.
Yeah, we did go, but we didn't have. Oh yeah, what the heck is closer? Wow, we're good.
We don't see this very often.
No, we don't have this.
Oh, that's beautiful. Oh, wow. Oh, wow.
Yeah, they should do like a Mickey Mouse firework, yeah. Maybe the finale.
If they can.
Whoa. Look at this sparkling.
Oh,
Look
wow.
at this sparkling. It's the place that's
there's still more.
I don't know how Magic Kingdom's gonna top this because it has to. It's so Magic Kingdom's gonna top this because it's Magic Kingdom. Only getting the main part. I don't know how to make it. The best yet.
What is this? I feel like I know what it is. Me too. I'm like, what are they playing over there?